guys? Welcome to Raja Makes Money. And where are all my money makers? And where's this guy been all week? What a week. And what breaking news right now. Reddit shuts down Wall Street bets. Oh my God. Can you believe this? What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. But just crazy. And I'm watching these prices. I think this is a great buying opportunity. I think all those short sellers should hurry up and cover immediately. And I think everybody else start buying. I mean, what an opportunity to buy at a 35% discount in less than 10 minutes time. I mean, it's insane. And so much else to talk about today. Let's talk about all the earnings. And I mean, it was just a crazy, crazy day. But yeah, can you believe it that Reddit would cave like that? This is going to be very, very interesting. The SEC says that they're watching stuff, and honestly, I think all these stocks are going to run even harder tomorrow because all these people are going to be pissed off and they're going to come back swinging. But that's my opinion. And remember, this show is for entertainment purposes only, and I am just sharing with you the trades I make. But let's get into those trades. Guys, I am up another $313,000. You talk about a crazy, crazy day. Started off a lot of trades today, mostly on Express. And at the end of the day, we have 100,000 shares of Express. So yes, Express right now is down $2.50 from the close. Our average is a little bit lower. It was right at $10.20, and I put in an order at 10:30. You'll see it in here at 10:30 to sell them, and I missed it. Just didn't hit to sell half my shares. And now I wish I could. So I'd be jumping back in, but like I said, I think this little drop is a buying opportunity. I'm not worried, and I got so many things I can tell you about the markets and what's going on in them, and it's going to get crazy out there. But let's go over everything today. So most of our penny stocks today didn't do well. So I will say this. Usually when the markets go down, penny stocks do not do well. A couple of reasons about that. The reason the penny stocks do not do well when the markets go down is because everybody has margin calls. They start doing other stuff, and they don't want to be in they don't have the money to play the pennies. But when the regular market is skyrocketing, everybody comes in and then starts buying penny stocks because it's just that, frantic thing of everyone's going to win and make a lot of money. Kevin, $5 super chat, join Patreon, follow the Raja live. Thank you, Kevin. And our Patreon group keeps growing, guys. We are over 85 Patreons as of today. And that's where I'm posting all my trades in real time, so you can see what I'm doing in real time. But yeah, it's just crazy how this market's moving and how fragile things are, and how, just shutting down one chat board, the whole market just got spooked. So it's just insane. But let's go back to my trades today because we made money today, and that's all that matters. And for the week, we're up like 700 and what are we up for? Wait a second. We had 350. Plus 300, plus 350 plus 307. How much are we up this week? Like $800,000 already? Like 350 plus 657, 763. We're up 763,000 for the week. But if Express drops 3 points, we're going to be down 300,000 tomorrow. So that's where it's had and moving around. GameStop started to come back. It was down 120 points after hours. It's starting to come back here. You can see it. I'll show you guys, but just insane. Look how fast it's moving. 271, 266, do this, do that. Just crazy. But back to what we're doing here. So today, mostly just traded Express. Also, we have the BlackBerry puts, that are open, and also some AMC. So AMC totally shut down. I can't even get AMC anymore. I think the market maker just shut it off. So this is funny. So if I want to trade it now, and you go to put an order and it says, I don't even qualify. Obviously it says I'm level 3, right? So if we put an order, let's say sell to open, 100 contracts, order type, limit, dollar, whatever, 10,000, review the order. It says, this order cannot be placed. Please read order verification message. This account is not approved for this option strategy. Please call Charles Schwab representative. Quote, a time of bid, 11 cents. So AMC has shut down the options and puts and stuff. I've never seen that in a stock. It's just crazy, right? Who does that? Just okay, closed for business today. Can't buy my option. But let me show you this. But if I want to buy to close the stock, 1,790 shares, limit $1, whatever. Oh, not a problem. I'm approved. It's still going. So, it's just crazy that they are. I've never in the history seen them just shut down like that. The market makers, they're just running for the hills. And let's talk about that. And same with like some of these other ones. I mean, this is insane. Never seen anything like this in the history, especially too, which is really nice. Not nice, but the entire market is tanking. I mean, the Dow is down 630 points, the NASDAQ 355, and we made $300,000 today. We made $750,000 this week. It's just nuts. So, and now after hours, I mean, I'm just watching the trades. These markets, I mean, it's just going crazy. Look at GameStop was 283, 263. I mean, this thing just can't stop moving. It's just crazy. But, you win some, you lose some. So, hopefully people are taking little profits and tomorrow they'll come back buying stronger. I will say this. I think a lot of GameStop people are going to take profits and they're going to come down and buy Express and AMC and BlackBerry because they're cheap. You can buy a lot more short shares and make a lot more money. How many shares of GameStop can you buy at $300 and hope it goes to 600? How many shares of BlackBerry at $25 can you buy and hope it goes to 100? A lot more and make a lot more money. So that's why you got to look at the whole flip side here and stuff. But this is where we have today. Like I said, most of our lower end penny stocks today did not have a good day in the market, except for CTYX. It's starting to wake up, so hopefully it continues and gets going here. Let's look at the trades I made today because that's important, right? So these are all the trades. So the first big trade of the day, and this is where most of the money was made, was Express on the open, 50,000 shares at 545. Sold those shares a little while later at $10.80. So that was a huge profit. That was almost a $250,000 profit on that trade. Then throughout the day, I was in and out for $20,000, $30,000, buying, bought at 9, sold at, here and there. So it's pretty endless. All my Patreon members, you guys, as I made those trades, you guys had all those trades in real time to see. So hopefully you took advantage of it and did the same thing. But this is also that's very interesting when you see all these little. So this is like this shows me how many of the Weebles and Robin Hoods are playing this stuff because 6 contracts, 2 contracts, 9 contracts, 3. It's so hard. That's why I was telling you guys I'm not sloppy. I just have to go and put in stuff because I can't get fills. Wait until I show you like some of these stocks today. I mean, I had to do so many changes to get my order complete just because it moves so much. The other thing today, which was crazy, because I kept saying, I'm like, because we have all that, we have all this, hold on, let me pull it up. We have all this BlackBerry right here. We have 4,200, hey, 420 time. We have 4,200 contracts of BlackBerry outstanding right now. And I was like, how could I be losing money? I'm like, I sold these 15s at, what was selling at 22 cents or whatever. I'm like, or 30, I don't know, whatever I sold them. I'm like, how could I lose $6,000? I'm like, I sold them and BlackBerry was like 21 and closed at 25 and I lost. Well, the volatility, the VIX index, guys, it was up over 17% today, 34%. It's or 37% or 38% today. So it was up 17. It's just insane, the volatility. There's only 2 days left. I'm not worried about this. Look, I got 92,000, 20,000, and 13,000. That's over 100 and all these 120,000 just sitting there to expire. Even with after hours here with BB's back down to $19 where I started writing all these. So we're still 3 points out of the money. And even if it does drop, we have a lot of protection there. And you know what? We'll just roll them out for next week. It's not rocket scientists. But this, unlike Apple, this is not sexy. Apple is just basic and sexy. And big shout out to Apple on the earnings. They came in really good today. And like I told you guys, they were going to have a blowout quarter. But the thing was, it didn't matter that they had a blowout quarter. They'd already ran 14 points. So, of course, Apple, everything's selling off. The whole world is collapsing. So everyone, sell all your stock immediately, hide under your computer, hide under your phone, your desk. The world is ending, and Reddit is shutting down all the groups. I mean, but that's not. But it's funny because that's how some people see the world. But that's not really everything that's going on. So you got to just take it in stride and just be casual with it and enjoy it. And let's look at how we're going to make more money this week. So obviously right now with Express down $2.85, $3, we have 100% $300,000 loss right here, which is a shame. I don't think it's going to be that bad. Hopefully it bounces up or we'll buy more. The other thing, you guys want to see something really exciting today? Oh, let me finish I didn't even finish all the stuff I saw. Do you want to know? So, and also this morning, Schwab and TD Ameritrade, their whole entire systems were down. People couldn't even trade. So I got lucky when I got that 50,000 order in because most people couldn't buy anything today. So yeah, you can see here, these are just more. This is me after hours. You can see it like an hour ago. It was at 10:20 when I put these in. God, I wish I got filled right now because I'd be buying some more back on this dip. Ooh, would have made a lot of money on the dip. But yeah, it was just throughout the day. These are the AMC. This is the one stock, Nubo, I bought it. It went down, of course, 15 cents after I bought it. But I think it will still be okay. Maybe it'll average down tomorrow. Here's all the AMC I was trying to show you guys. Yeah, look at this. So I put in 900 contracts, 55 cents. I keep chasing it. Then I go to 49 cents. I get one contract. This is canceled. Then I go to 900 at 17 cents. This market maker just shut down. He was done. And I tried to get more in at 15 cents because I'm like, this thing's at $15. How much risk could I have in a $5? I mean, even AMC before the Reddit boom was $3, $4. This thing was like, they just raised 900 million. It's worth this. So I'm like, this is a no brainer. So it just went crazy. And I couldn't get anything filled, and then it just shut down. That was the end of it. So we slammed them hard. But like I said, because of the VIX being up so much, there's these premiums. It's just insane to see what's going on in this market. But you just gotta, you gotta be tough, and you gotta know how to ride these waves. Then this is the more BlackBerry today that we sold. Just figured make some money on it. You see here. Hopefully BlackBerry stays above the $16 mark the next 2 days. I have faith in it. And then this one here was a screw up. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'll tell you guys when I make a mistake. I was getting on the plane trying to trade this one, and I didn't even realize. I was just like because Express doesn't have any contracts for right now. They only have them for a month out, and this is the same issue I had with CCIV and why I didn't play it. So I waited, and obviously, as you can see, I wrote contracts that are a month away. The thing is, you know what? I got $3.60 for the $7 strike. So as long as Express in the next month is over $3.50, I am in good shape. That would be my break even. I was hoping to get Express up. It was almost even a few times today to get Express up a little bit and just get the hell out of it. That did not happen, unfortunately. If Express stays down a couple of points right now, that's not going to be good. But like I said, I don't think this rally's over with. I don't think these guys have given up. And it was crazy. The other thing so that was all my trades today. You guys want to see something else? This is how screwed up Schwab is. Right now, normally if I have a margin call or anybody has a margin call, they call you right away. And as you can see, I shouldn't, my account's pretty safe. I don't really have that much outstanding, and all my stocks are in the money. And usually they stop you from even writing stock, but their whole systems are so screwed up, apparently. Check this out. My balances. I have a margin call for $2.5 million. So here we are up 700,000 plus for the week. Like I said, their whole systems are screwed up, but it says money due $2.5 million. So if you guys could all send me some super chats immediately, I need $2.5 million or I am screwed tomorrow. You'll be seeing me on CNBC trying to raise some capital and borrow $3-4 billion, from somebody else here. So I don't know. Like I said, these things are all screwed up. I have day trading buying. I have available money to trade. I have all this, but I have $2.5 million due. And so I was looking at this because I was trying to figure it out. I'm like, how the hell can I owe that much? So if you look at the contracts, so this is pretty cool. It shows you the margin. So on the 900 contracts there, I have a 630,000 because I was like, these are all cheap. But the big one, because they have a 100% requirement, was these 2,400 contracts for the BB. Those have a 3.8 million requirement. There's 1.3 million on this one and 1.2 million on that one. So, like I said, if everybody can hurry up and send super chats, dollar lucky super chats to keep me going for tomorrow, I'd really appreciate it. But no, I'm just kidding. So it's gonna be an interesting day. If everything is staying where it is right now, we'll definitely be down, $3,000-$4,000. Thank Chaos Dollars. I got this guy. Thank you. Thank you for saving the Raja today. So it's definitely crazy. But yeah, look at the futures for tomorrow. Behind massive gain run up goes private invitation. So I don't know. They didn't go private. To me, they look like they're off the internet because if you try and join or whatever. But like I said, I mean, this is just people panicking. I don't think there's any reason to panic because the SEC already said, they're aware of what's going on and there's nothing illegal. There's, they're watching liquidity of the markets and all these different things. Apple, let's talk about Apple. I mean, best quarter ever. I told you guys, they're going to blow it out, like no other. Oh, thank you, Crazy Carl. $1 lucky super chat. They're going to blow it out like no other. And they did. Look at this, guys. Up, down $1 during the day and then down 5 points. I have a lot of Apple puts to sell open still, all between 124 and 130. So I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, I mean, just insane. I mean, their earnings and, just crazy. Tesla down. I mean, you take your pick, look at this one here. I mean, at 24%. So I hope all those short guys who are covering this all covered up quickly because this is a great opportunity to save some money today because they were probably panicked. And then our big one, Express, EXPR. You can see that one is down 355, and we have unfortunately we have 100,000 shares of that. So that one, like I said, we could be down 500,000 tomorrow, but that's okay. We'll just work through it. I have comment, like I said, like the whole market decided let's stop buying these stocks. These are still short squeezes. It's not like everybody gave up, ran for the hills. Like I said, normally, like I was telling you guys, the market is emotional and reacts to news. So whoever has started this whole widespread panic, this is very interesting. There's going to be a lot of people who lost. So, you probably have those people who make so much money who are going to get out. And then you have those people who have no clue what to do now or don't even know how to trade after hours and don't even know that the market's crashing right now, who are going to panic tomorrow morning. But I think you're going to see a lot of those people who made a lot of money come in. And I honestly think GameStop has had its run. I mean, it's just up so much money. How much higher can it go? You know what I'm saying? So I think there's going to be some interesting stuff there, but I think these smaller stocks is where it's at because, like I said, how many shares of GameStop at $300 or $200 can you buy? Not that many. How many stocks at $10? How many shares of something at $10 can you buy? A lot. So, but hey, let's take some questions. Any thoughts on CCIV? I've watched this one. I've watched it run, and now I've watched it come all the way, back down. It was as high as $33 on Monday, in the pre-market. Now it's $21. I don't know. I mean, there's so many of them, that you just have to keep watching them and stuff. So Andrew Chris said, "Oops, BB down after hour. Everything's down because of the Reddit thing. The whole world is ending because of Reddit." So hold on a second. Something's SEC will issue a T12 halt. Yeah, so I mean today, like Express today had like 12 halts during the day, and that's another thing I had never even thought about. Can you even halt? Do they halt stocks in after-hour markets if they are too volatile and moving? Because I mean, usually if I see all these stocks drop 25% in after hours market and not do anything, and like I said, I think I think they're gonna shore up. They may open a little bit down tomorrow, but I think you're gonna see a lot of money come into play because a lot of people are. You gotta remember, half the people right now are all out to dinner and they said, you know what, we're getting off Reddit chat board tonight. We just made millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands, $100, who knows? Let's go celebrate. So they're all out celebrating. They have no idea what's going on now. Everybody's calling their friends. Jump, but like I said, you guys got to play smart. Also, if you're watching me on YouTube and you haven't followed me yet, click that. Haven't subscribed to me yet, click that subscribe button and click that little gray bell so you get notifications when we go live. If you're watching me on Facebook, follow me and click that little thumb up because that's how you get notifications when we go live on Facebook. So, all right, let's see here. What is your thesis on CTYX? So one, I think they have a name change. Let me pull it up here. And then, they have some news coming out. My target on that one is hopefully 50 cents, $1. You never know. Let's see. TTYX news. Not seeing it right now, so I cannot. But they're supposed to have a name change and some different stuff coming out. I like it. It started going up today. Like I said, when the markets sell off, the penny stocks suffer, and I've said this before. They're high risk, but when the markets sell off, when the blue chips, so when the blue chips are doing well, everybody says, "Oh, you know what? I got all this extra money in my account because my stock's up. I'm going to use some of that. I'll buy some craps, penny stocks." And that's why the pennies start doing well. So every time when the big stuff sells off and people start having margin calls or they don't have that available cash to trade with, that's when your penny stocks get hammered. And unfortunately, that's what happens. So, and I've said that and stuff. But and also, you got to remember, people want to take profits, I don't know. I mean, like you saw me. Remember I told you guys last week, I said, I'm going to be on cash. I said, I want to have a lot of cash going into this week. It's crazy with earnings. And look at all the earnings have been all over the place, pretty disasterful for the most part. But it's the same thing with a lot of this stuff. You just have to figure out what to pick apart and what to play and what's going to be the big moves. Like I said, even with a down day tomorrow for $300,000-$400,000, it's okay. It's not. I didn't change anything I was doing based on this profit. We'll ride this thing out till Friday for sure, and hope to God BB stays strong. We'll roll them out if we have to. We'll hope Express stays strong and all of them, and stuff. Bassell says, are we in trouble with BB? It's down big. What happened to it now? Everything's down, all the stuff, because Reddit shut it down. What if right now Reddit turns it back on? Is everything going to go up triple? And that's the whole thing. So it's tough to say. I think you will. The one thing I think you will see is you'll see some people playing a little bit smarter in the marketplace. You're not going to see as drastic stuff, but I think you're going to see all these, the Red Bulls, the Weebles, and the Robin Hoods just come in stronger than ever, and just do their thing, because that's what people do. Nobody wants to be the loser, and the short squeezes are still out there unless they all covered right now. Hopefully they did, and if they did cover right now, there'll be more stock to short tomorrow, and the thing will run up again. People lost a lot of money, and people are going to be paying attention more than usual right now to this stuff. But definitely says Penny D. Raja, would you buy Naked as it's dropping tonight? Naked was a 50-cent stock all week, or dollar stock all week, or Naked. You guys can see. Naked was 50 cents until today. So I mean, I'm surprised it's still up, honestly. I mean, it was, I think, like $3. Same with I can't think of the name of it. With it was like another one that was like doubled, or 50 cents. Just went crazy. God, I can't think of the name. This one also Cole or Cuss. Cole Cut. What is it? Cole? Yeah, Cole. K-O-L-L. No, that's not it. Oh, what are these? Oh my God. I can't think of the name of it. Or K-U-L-L. I don't know. One of you guys tell me the name of it. It was up from $10 today. Got as high as $90 after hours. Almost around 60 costs. There you go. Thank you. Okay. Sometimes, guys, I just can't remember all these symbols. So thank you guys all for coming through for me. So yeah, I mean, look at this, guys. Costs. Okay, so costs after hours today closed at 58, up 408%. After hours, it was as high as $91. I was like, holy smokes. and now it's down 30. So pretty much everything that's in that Reddit trade is all down 25 to 35%. GameStop's holding the strongest, down 25%. Everything else is about 35%. So it is what it is, you know. You're going to have these winners and losers. You're going to have news that shakes a tree, and sometimes you have to shake a dead tree to, you know, get some more action and activity going on. But I think we're in good shape. The other one was, God, sorry, Genus, maybe? Genus. Genus. There we go. Check. I can't even think of the name of it. I'll show you. Yeah. So this one too, after hours. This one today, look at this, you know, rallied hard after hours, was way up there. Now it's down to 25% too. So pretty much right across the board, all the Reddit stuff, you know, is down. You know, you take a look at BB, it's probably down 35%. Blackberry, well, Blackberry's only down 26%. The Coles, Express, yes. EXPR. Oh, by the way, I totally forgot on Express, EXPR. Jeff Schwartz wanted to make sure that he got full credit for this one. So anyone who bought this one and it's down 35% after hours, Jeff said he wanted to make sure that I let everybody know it was his pick. He told me that today. So thank you, Jeff, for that pick. No, just kidding. So, but no, I think that during the day we made some money with it. I know you guys also like this one for some reason. Remember that bingo? How's that one doing? Bingo down 10% today. Wow, another 5% after hours. That's not looking too good today. But, you know, like I said, when the market's going to crash, the market's going to crash. I mean, the futures are going to crash. I mean, I think tomorrow could be we could see that 1,000-point sell-off and stuff. Who knows what it's going to bring, but going to be interesting. Hi, should you hold AMC and GME for tomorrow? Thanks. I'm going to hold all mine. I think it's going to bounce back. I don't think, like I said, I don't think, you know, every time Bitcoin, somebody puts a spook into Bitcoin, everybody stop buying it? It never came back. I think the option calls and stuff like that are a little bit riskier. I also don't know how many, you know, contracts or shares. Well, options aren't trading right now. So, I mean, here's the thing. If you own, you know, GameStop and you're into it at $20 and it's 256 right now, down 91 bucks from the high, and you have, you know, a huge profit, I'd probably sell half of it or sell some of it and you know, take advantage of it. I like what King Cobra says. I think it's a buying opportunity. Like I said, it's not like all these people tomorrow are going to be like, oh my God, we're not buying anymore. This is just the people who are on the edge, who honestly shouldn't be going crazy, shouldn't be playing this hard because they don't know how to play these markets. They don't have the money to play these markets, or they're highly leveraged, or they borrowed the money. So definitely, like I said, Raja, Tesla is coming to 700. You guys know what I think of Tesla. I have said this company is so overvalued. Is it 700 now? No, it's only down after hours. Yeah. So after hours, right when they announced earnings, it was way down. It was all the way down to about 800, and then it bounced up. So, I mean, 5% is nothing. But like I said, they missed their number. Come on. They took, you know, 2 pay cuts on cars this year. Margins are shrinking. I mean, honestly, it should be $700, but, you know, it's not. It has enough, you know, excitement around it and stuff, but just crazy and stuff. Karen says it's GE GameStop shorted at 150%. It was insane. Yeah, it was like 138% or something. I don't know. I hope to God all these short sellers have covered up their stock in all these today, because they needed this break badly. They needed it. They got it. I hope they took advantage of it, because that's all I can say for them. You know, take advantage of these dips, you know, because this stuff's not over with. This stuff's going to run harder and harder. And there is, there's nothing that the SEC can do. There's nothing that any of these people can do. What are they going to do, you know, to stop freedom of speech and people talking to people? What are they going to, you know, do to stop me from calling my buddy and go, hey, let's all buy GameStop today. Let's all buy Express today. There's nothing they can do. I'm not telling you guys, hey, buy Express because they're about to, you know, be bought out for $87 a share. There's nothing illegal. You know, these people can get on a chat board and do it all day long. And that's what, you know, these things have, these chat boards. Roland Scott, I made over 22,000 today on CVM. Hashtag boom. Can you pull it up? Sure. CVM. Pull it up for you. And congratulations. What a great day. Is it CVM, Cell Cycorp, up 72% today. Wow, great day. Hopefully you're out of it, because it does have a little dip here after hours, like all of them. But congratulations, Roland. So good day there. Also, guys, don't forget about my We Bull Challenge. Starts on the 1st of the month. $100. I just posted a link for you guys, and my mods have been posting it. You open an account. There's the link. Open an account. Only can put $100 in it. No more, no less. The 2 free shares of stock that you do get for signing up, you can keep and put towards your totals. But we're going to see in a 1 month time who can make the most money in February. Somebody just mentioned Kodak, which I was watching that one too, was surging after hours today. Let's see. Oh, and sure enough, so that one, there we go. Pull that one up. So Kodak today, it was up to like $15 also. Nobody has any clue why. They're probably just playing Kodak from last time, because if you guys remember last time with Kodak, the president, tweeted or said, mentioned their name, it just skyrocketed. But I think Kodak is, unless they have something, I think it's not going to go very far. JJ bought CTYX today. When do you think this will move? Well, it started moving today a little bit, so hopefully tomorrow it moves. But like I said, when the real market of the big stocks starts to crash, that makes the little stocks start to crash. Because think about it like this: let's say you had an account with $10,000 and you own Apple. This will be a hard math. Let's say you had $14,000 and you had 100 shares of Apple at $140. Well, Apple goes to $150. You have $800 in profits, and let's say it was on margin or it's not on margin, you now have freed up all this cash, and they say, oh, your buying power is more because Apple went up, so you have more money to buy with than what you started with. So you can take some of that, because you have, if it's a marginable account and you have to have 50%, let's say. So Apple goes up to, you own Apple at 140 at 14,000. Apple goes to 150. You now have $15,000. They basically are giving you $500 more in your account to go buy stocks. So you say, you know what? My friend Raj, he told me about this stock. It's 10 cents. I heard about it from somebody else. If it wasn't me, hopefully not me, because this channel is for entertainment purposes only. I am just sharing with you my trades and what I think of the market and what to do. But you now have that $500. So you say, all right, I'm gonna go buy some of this stuff, or I'm gonna go do something else with it. Well, that $500, then Apple comes down back to 140. Now all of a sudden you have a margin call for $500. So what do? You just sell your penny stock, and then that's why these things get hammered. But if all of a sudden Apple went to 200 and now you had $3,000, because you have 6,000, it's up. So you have $3,000 extra in your account. You buy more pennies. So when the big stocks are going up, you're going to see a lot more people flooding into the penny stocks, because everybody's a gambler, right? It's kind of like when I'm in the casino. If I'm up $20,000, $30,000, what do I care if I throw $5,000, $10,000? That's something that I'm probably never going to win, or maybe it's a long shot. But if I hit, or that slot, or I'm up already. It's everyone likes to play with their money, right? But if you're down, the last thing if I'm down $20,000 in the casino, the last thing I'm gonna do is let's pull out 10,000 more and chase this, because I'm smart enough to know it doesn't work like that. You'll wind up just losing more. So it's the same thing when the real market is up. And when I say real, they're all obviously it's all real market. But when the big stocks are up, the penny stocks are going to rally. So with the market crashing today, 630 points, and that's a big crash. 2% on the Dow, and the Nasdaq 2.5%. And tomorrow, we're going to probably see another, probably about the same, 500-600 points, and a couple of hundred on the Nasdaq. That's going to really hurt these low-end penny stocks, because people don't have that money to play the pennies. Now, you do have a whole new breed of people, which are these, we call them the Weeblers, the Robin Hooders, which are, mostly millennials, probably a lot younger in age, not, the sophisticated trader, who have that, $100, 500,000, 10,000 in the market, and they're only just playing penny stocks because that's all they know, and, they're depending on a chat board. Well, as soon as that chat board, got deleted, all hell broke loose tonight. Like I said, how many people are about to go out and pop champagne and now realize, that they have a margin call, or something. The good news is on most of these penny stocks, they're not marginable. So you have to have cash up front, but you still lost a lot of your equity. You still, if you thought you were up, look at me today. I was up $313,000. How many people made $313,000 today? Well, I did. I was about to go and celebrate. But now, hold on, it's down $2.86. It's coming back from the 35%. Now I'm down 200,000. So no dinner for the Raja. Just a 99-cent value meal tonight. Minus, Chaos and Crazy Carl sent me $2 and a buck. But that's what my whole point is. People are emotional to the markets, and people live their life emotionally. You have to live your life intelligently. I see this all the time. Somebody goes, "Oh, my 401k is all-time new highs today." Oh, nice. What are you guys up to? Oh, we're gonna go out to STK and have Wagyu, A5 Wagyu tonight. We're celebrating. Oh, that's great. How are you going to pay for it? You sell your 401k. You're 30 years old. You sell your 401k before you hit 60, 65, 70. No, we're going to use our credit card. Oh, okay. But you're celebrating because you made money in your 401k or because that's up, $2,000 this month, and but you have no money really to your name. You're going to go use your credit card debt. Well, that's why all these things collapse at some point. But thanks to the government who keeps just giving us stimulus, it's just going to keep pumping and pumping and pumping. So, Chloe, you're down 200K right now. Well, hypothetically, I am, but the market is closed. So hypothetically, I'm up for the day $300,000. If the market was to reopen right now and Express is sitting at 660, down 3 points from where it closed, I would be down $300,000. But that doesn't mean that some of this other stuff is up. It also doesn't mean so you have to look at the whole picture. So I'm not, I'm pretty well diversified. It's not really the stuff I like to play all the time, versus my normal sexy Apple. That's plain and simple, not sexy Apple, but it's plain and simple. But so you have to look at, you have to look at, like I said, you have to look at the whole picture. And like I said, it really doesn't matter where this stuff goes on the options. It only matters on option expiration. Like I said, I think this stuff is going to come back stronger than ever. I think that all these people who made a lot of money aren't going to, they didn't all quit the market tonight, and give up on it. Jeff Schwartz, $2 super chat. Mariana says she will cook for you. No worries. Thank God, because I am hungry and I need a delicious Italian meal. And what a wonderful cook Mariana is. When we were out there, had us at their place to eat, just a delicious meal. Also, guys, let's look at our Bitcoin. How's that doing today? So Bitcoin's been all over the place. 38,000. We're down $11,300 on our Bitcoin. Look at that. Bitcoin almost, I think it did break 29,000 over the weekend, or over the last 24 hours. And I think that's also the Janet Yellen effect, and also because she doesn't really like Bitcoin. But also, I think a lot of people took money out of Bitcoin because Bitcoin it's liquidable, but it's a little tougher. And I think you're going to see more money coming in the market because a lot of people are like, hold on, this Bitcoin's fairy dust, like I've been saying. But we got something real. We got GameStop. We got Express. We got, BlackBerry. We got hot chocolate. We got ice cream. We got Candy Crush. They said, this is real. Let's buy this crap. And now we have this actual money, U.S. currency, that's actually moving around that we can do something with and have a checking account hooked up to our stock trading account and credit card. And we don't have to, worry about, if my money's going to go up 25% overnight. So crazy. Shannon, $2 super chat. Let's make money. That's right, guys. You guys are my money makers. Let's make lots of money. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Also, don't forget, big shout out to all our Patreon members, over 85 of you guys, or 86 of you guys now. So thank you so much for your support and joining us in Patreon. That's where I post all my trades in real time at patreon.com/Raja Makes Money. So if you guys like all my trades in real time, and we launched our Patreon Facebook group now. So we have a private Facebook group for all our Patreon members, and that's where some starting to get active. And I think, obviously, as there's more Patreons, you get more and more active. But it's pretty cool. Everybody can talk, post their stock picks. And I'm thinking about maybe going live in there too, so I can answer some more questions, a little bit more one-on-one for people, in the future also, and do some stuff. But like I said, I'm not worried about this. If Express is back to $1 tomorrow, I'm not going to be worried. And this is another reason I didn't really mind spending so much or having 100,000 shares, because I said, you know what? I've been watching GameStop, and I said, you know what? Every day, what does it do? It just keeps going and going and going for like 5 days straight. And I kept saying, you know what? I got to short this thing. This thing's coming down. This thing's coming down. This thing's coming down. What does it do? It keeps going up. So I said, and I said, if I have 100,000 shares of Express, what's the worst case scenario? $2 or $3. I'm up 700,000 plus for the week. So the worst case scenario is it comes all the way down to $2 by tomorrow or by Friday for some down 500. I'm still up for the week. I still have a lot of other stuff in play for the week. I'm still going to make money for the week. Obviously, I was hoping, I want to show you guys, hey, you know what? The Raja made $1 million this week. That's what I want to show you guys. And that's what I want to do for you guys. But we're having a great run. And like I said, it's just, especially because I'm used to playing the options and stuff, you just have to take those, bumps sometimes, how it goes. Raja, how will you keep track of our Webull accounts? Very carefully. I will keep track of them. No, so actually, that's tomorrow. By Friday, we'll have a link for you guys up. You'll take a screenshot of your Webull account, and you will submit it to us with your info, with your email and name on a web form we'll have out there. And Brian in Denver will write down everybody who is in the Webull Challenge contest. And then every week we'll ask you guys to send us the screenshots and stuff. And then at the end of the month, whoever has the most money from their $100 plus their 2 free shares you get when you sign up to Webull wins. So it's going to be pretty easy. Nothing too highly complicated. If you do start making a lot of money, hopefully, you share it, or we'll be like, shout you out and, ask you to, maybe I'll have you come on, for 10, 15 minutes. Let me know what you're playing, how you think. Maybe you say, you know what, I'm not giving away my secrets. I don't want these people to do the same thing and make millions like me. So that's going to be your choice. But I just want to see who the best trader is, see what you guys are picking, see what you guys are doing, and should be lots of fun. So the good news is Express is only down 26% now. And GameStop only down 15%, so a nice little comeback. But hey, I'll take 3 more questions, and then the Raja is out of here. Also, don't forget, live tomorrow again, and tomorrow night, live slot play again. If you guys didn't get enough of me in Vegas, that's what I got a question for everybody watching. Real quick before I read this one. How many people have found me just from the stock channel and just found us? And how many people found me from the Big Jackpot but trade stocks and have joined us? So I was just curious to know. Roland, in the chat, you can let me know. Roland, I sold all my CVM position to Scott. I took the profit. I bought some Sens. Well, I hope it worked out good, hopefully for you. JJ, $2 super chat. What % of invest portfolio is stocks versus real estate? So I have a much larger real estate portfolio, but that's because I've been buying real estate a lot longer than I've been buying stocks. And I also have some really big, I have some, $5-10 million real estate piece assets. So my real estate portfolio is much bigger than my stock portfolio. Between my other accounts and, if I get this account up to 25 million, 50 million, I get this account up to 50 million this year, my stock account may be as big as my real estate account. So you don't know. But for me, but you want to have a balancing act. Like I tell people, if you have if you have $100,000, keep 20,000, 25,000 in cash, maybe 25,000 in very safe, mutual funds or something that's going to make you 2-3% a year. It's a safe investment. If you have, you don't want more than 5 or 10% in something like Bitcoin or something like that. You don't want 5 or 10% in penny stocks. You want to play smart, and stuff. So love seeing this. So we got Big Jackpot. Wow. So most of you guys all found me from the Big Jackpot. That's awesome. And also, guys, please make sure that you share and, let your friends know about us. Let them know you're watching us. YouTube's a little tougher to share on, but all the people on Facebook watching, let them know you're watching the Raja live on Facebook. And if they do trade stocks, tell them about us. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So smoke it up. EXPR up to 7:15 in after hours. Yep, 7:30 now. It's coming back. Nice. Coming back. I told you guys these Reddit people wouldn't let us down. What a buying opportunity. If I didn't have all my money tied up right now, you know what? We should actually see real quick. Hold on, let's have some fun. If I didn't know it was Charles Schwab, $2.5 million, we should buy some more stock right now. Well, we should have bought it when it was down at 35%. Now it's almost up so strong. They'll probably say money due. I don't know. We'll have to get it. We'll have to clear out some stuff in the morning. Let's see. Buy. Say we want to buy 1,000 shares. Limit price 7.5. What do you guys think? I think we're cut off, but you never know. Let's see. Please know there's a similar open order, which I was trying to sell. Oh, it's going to let me do it. What do you? If we agree to all this, we're in. We got it. We have unlimited credit. What are the prices at right now? $7.49. I don't know. It's probably a good buying opportunity. It was a great buying opportunity at $6.50 or $6. Now it's coming back strong. So I think we got plenty of it right now. I don't want to get too crazy until I see where it goes. I would, hopefully tomorrow, fingers crossed, it's up. I think it's just going to blow it out again. I think it's going to be like GameStop. I think you're going to see this stuff open up tomorrow, and this stuff could be up 5-10 points. I think it's going to be insane. I don't know. It is really, really hard to say. It's just like I said, I've never seen a market like this. I've never seen stocks trade like this. We aren't trading. There's nothing being traded based on normal principles. It's just being traded by just the power of the people. So God bless them for what they're doing and stuff. So up to 7:50 after hours. Yep, yeah, 7:35 right now. So nice comeback from the $6 I was up to 10.20. I tried to get out at 10.30 some of it. I definitely would have been buying some back right now, but this stuff just goes up and down. It's crazy. So what's your best play with 100 grand? Still debating. My best, safest play is I'd put the 100 grand. With 100 grand, I'd write 40 or 50 contracts of the Apple 130s that expire in 2 days, get 50 cents, make $2,500, $3,000, and boom, it'd be a piece of cake. Just play smart. All right, you guys got me excited. You know what, you guys are getting me all pumped up here. Hold on a second. Hold the horses. Now you're getting me all excited. I think we got to make a move live. All right, trade. Looks like it's at $7.30 right now. Let's do 10,000 shares. We should have done this earlier, then we could have sold them. 7.30. Review. Oh, extended hours. All right. Oh, so we got to buy. Oh, now it's running. Now it's 7:40. Oh, yeah. All right, let's read all this crap. All right, we're in. We got action. I think we'll get filled. Open. Let's see. These we can cancel. I don't think these are gonna get filled today at 10:30. What do you guys think? Now it's 7:50. It's okay if we don't get filled and it goes all the way back to $10 today. I'll be selling. No, 7:47. So all right. Well, we got action. I don't think we're gonna get. Well, I don't know. You never know. In the next 5 or 6 minutes, what's gonna happen? But at least it's in there, guys. We got action because I like doing live trades for you guys. But yeah, no, we should have jumped in there when it was like at $6 or something. But the good news is down 2 points. I'm only down 200,000 going into tomorrow now. How is BlackBerry's back above 200. GameStop. I hope to God those people covered their GameStop because they're gonna get slaughtered tomorrow. So all right. Jake says what we got here. At Raja, Reddit inking a big deal with Ethereum crypto. I have no idea about that. Sorry, I can't speak to that. Oh, hold on a second. Look at this, guys. It just dipped to 734. We get filled. Let's see. Nope. So that's back to 749 now. Hold on. You guys want me to get this or not? Should we just buy it? Should we just pay 750? The heck? If it goes up 5 points tomorrow, who cares? This after hours. Order status. Today open. Oh, we got it. We got some. We got action. Now we got to find out where it is. We got to scroll through all this. Oh my God. Let's see. AMC. All the after hours are usually down here. Did anybody see it? So that's the contracts. Yeah. I didn't know where to look. Wait, 7. Close filled. Buy 50,000 shares. Buy 50,000 shares. Sell 50,000 shares. Buy. Sell. After. Here we go. All right. We got 10,000 shares at 748. So we have 10,000 shares in play right now. And of course, now it hits 730 after we buy it. Shame on them. Shame. EXPR. So everyone, let my Patreon members know we just bought 10,000 shares of Express. Now it's 728. So the little panic right before the ending, but I actually think these 10,000 I think could be pretty powerful for us tomorrow. So, if it's up, it comes back the 2 points and everything. It's an extra $20,000, so not too shabby. Wait a second, 650. What the heck? 729. There we go. I was like 720, 730. All right. So we got the 10,000 shares. We got it bought. Guys, I'm the Raja. You guys are the money makers. You've been watching Raja Makes Money. Make sure you tell everybody about us. Make sure you tell your friends, your neighbors, anyone you can find on the street. Tell them about us. We're going to have a wild and crazy day tomorrow, and I hope all of you guys make lots of money. All my Patreon members, get ready for a bunch of trades in the morning. And hey, take care. Have a great rest of your night, and I'll see everybody tomorrow.